Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share my channel. In this Photoshop tutorial you will learn how to design a professional real estate flyer for premium property listing. Now create a new A4 layout and add a light gray or white background. Import property images in clean grid. Add a bold headlines, luxury homes for sale. Use navy blue and gold colors. Now add brief details about the property, include price tags with boxes, and then insert agent photo and contact info. Use icons for rooms, bathrooms, and area. Apply drop shadow subtly. Adjust spacing for balance. Add footer branding and export the final